check this tire for a nail. I already took the center cap off. Even my other videos, I had the SS wheels on here. Took those off, put the stock joints back on. But yeah. Center cap right here. Got the plug kit right here. That's the other one. So I'll just jack this up and take this wheel off. I already loosened the lugs. So as you can see, I got the tire off, and this is the screw. I'm gonna use an old pair of vice grips to get it out, and I don't really have a way to hold the camera, so let's see. Hold on. So I'm gonna try this. I think I got it on there. So the next thing you do, you use this to clean the hole. I'm trying to get these pants dirty, but as you can see, I already have. And I got another stain on them over here from the last time I was working on this car. I don't really have anywhere to sit the phone at, but which is making this harder to do because I can't hold the tire. You can see. Basically, you're supposed to push this in and out, twist it, in and out to clean the hole, get everything out. So we're gonna skip to the next part. The next thing you do, take a plug, put it through here. Now that it's in it like that, you don't need the rubber cement. Plus, this is already sticky. As you can see, it's down in there now. Got it in there. And then pull this out. And there you go, tire plug.